The American Aluminum K-9 Training and Problem Solving Workshop. Since 1999, the American Aluminum Company has been proud to host and sponsor a total K-9 training and problem-solving workshop, offering specialized training and national certification for K-9s and their handlers, including bomb dogs, drug dogs, tracking dogs, apprehension dogs, and cadaver dogs.
This seminar is really good. It brings a lot of different agencies together. You see a lot of different training techniques. It's basically something to bring back home and put in your toolbox and use with other handlers, other agencies back at home that weren't able to make it here. You have a lot of wealth of knowledge here. It all comes here to Perry. We all train together, have a good time, and learn a lot from each other.
It's just completely awesome. You can sit down, round table ideas, and come up with new training ideas, new philosophies, new lessons that you can try to improve the handler K-9 relationship across the board.
Our master trainers come from the North American Police Work Dog Association, with certification testing available for all NAPWADA members. And if you're not already a member, you can join when you check in.
NAPWADA is one of the most respected certifying agencies for human remains detection dogs. And when you get certifications, you want the ones that have a lot of clout out there.
I've been to about 35 seminars around the country, and this is one of the most hospitable, energetic, creative, and generous venues I've ever been to.
The master trainers work real well with everybody and help solving any kind of difficulties or anything that they just want to improve their dog on, and then they get a chance to certify as well so they can get their national certification. Or they can come here just to problem solve and then come back again and certify at this event or another.
Our goal is to assist K-9 teams throughout the world. That's basically what we do. That's our main purpose.
The areas of training we offer at the American Aluminum K-9 Workshop are narcotics, explosives, tracking, building searches, problem solving, tactical obedience, and cadaver.
What you've got here are three different certifying authorities, three different organizations that certify police dogs. The North American Police Work Dog Association, NOXAR, which is a search and rescue organization, and the Florida Work Dog Association, Florida Police Work Dog Association. And all three of those are accredited organizations that certify police dogs in different venues of training. Some of the best minds in dog training are here this week, just waiting for someone that needs a little bit of help or just the certification. If you come here, you're the dog, you've got good maintenance training, you're going to certify, and you certify real quick. As a matter of fact, I would say a majority of the team's probably certified by close of business on Tuesday. The rest of the week's dedicated to training.
All levels of experience are welcomed, and we guarantee you and your K-9 partner will be challenged because our training is geared toward the experience level of each individual team.
9 years ago, we started with about 35 dog teams. This year's count is 151.
And in our little town of Perry, Florida, that makes for quite a spectacle that impacts the entire town. At the end of the week, we hold a public demonstration to show off our skills.
Bad guy.
K-9 handlers are a special breed, and this event gives them the opportunity to create relationships with other officers who share the same challenges and experiences. They come from all around the state of Florida and the entire Southeast. It's a unique experience for any K-9 handler.
And here I am coming from an agency where there's 3 K-9 teams. We come here, we have 150 K-9 teams, a wealth of knowledge, a lot of different training techniques. This is the place to come when you want to learn and see different things.
just being able to sit back and watch other handlers work, you learn so much by the nuances of being able to watch another dog and what indications they have.
The more our people get to see other people, that's the better off they're going to be.
The 1,000-mile drive is nothing compared to the experience and the hospitality, and you can't get a better experience.
You've got master trainers from all over the United States that come here, and if you don't come and see what's going on, you're missing out.
All of this wouldn't be possible if not for the generous hospitality of American Aluminum.
Just the welcome you get when you get to Perry, it's unbelievable. American Aluminum's there for everybody. For anything you need, they're there, and they constantly tell you that every day. Whether they're bringing you water, bringing you food, is there anything we can do for you? Anything you need, just call us. And they've been great to us, they really have. They make sure we have everything we need here to train. Can't ask for anything else.
This is the best bang for your buck that you'll ever encounter.
For American Aluminum, it all began in 1992 when we introduced the very first in-vehicle Easy Rider K-9 container.
Basically, we're an aluminum manufacturing company. Started off building toolboxes and auxiliary fuel tanks. We got into the law enforcement community in 1992. We built a wide variety of products, probably the widest variety out there. In-vehicle inserts, K-9 training aids, specialized equipment for law enforcement, just a wide variety of law enforcement products. We also build inmate transport units and buses as well. So it's evolving. We're constantly improving, getting better. Basically, the law enforcement community tells us their needs and we meet their needs. That's how most of the products we build now have come about, is through their recommendations, suggestions, and needs.
The thing is with these people is that if you see their product and you see something you want different or make it better, you go to them. In a matter of weeks, they've got that product out with the improvements you've mentioned, and they're probably shipping it to you.
We have a lot of their products. We have their cages in our cars. We've just bought 2 of their collapsible crates where you can travel with your dogs. I tell you what, it's really good quality and you can't ask for anything else. Never had a problem with any of their equipment. It's really good.
Now you're ready for travel. For our dogs, we use them in all our kennels, and it's great for our dogs. But I'm gonna give everybody just a surprise. If it weren't for the American Aluminum Kennel, I wouldn't be standing here today. You can ask my partner. It was about 7 months ago. I got hit by an 18-wheeler on I-75 going to back up my partner on a traffic stop. I rolled a Ford Expedition 3 times. When it was all said and done, the trooper, an EMS person, and I believe it was a fireman told me the only reason that I was not crushed in the inside of that vehicle was because of the dog kennel that was put in, which was obviously made by American Aluminum. It's just like a roll cage. It didn't dent, it didn't buckle. I was lucky that I had that piece of equipment in my vehicle, very lucky.
Everyone knows us for our sturdy in-vehicle K-9 containers because they're strong, durable, and made just for you. We are known for giving our clients individual, customized service for every job, with every attention to detail.
That's the big blue monster. That's the machine that feeds it all. I'm able to talk to some of the guys that are actually working in the shop and have them move it a little bit back or cut it just a little short so I'm not cramped up in the police vehicle. And for a tall guy, that's great. Maybe a shorter fellow, if you asked him, they'd probably push and make the kennel even bigger for the dog.
I'm supposed to go in Friday, and I have an interior here that they're going to help me design and fix up so that they're safer in here and they're more comfortable in here as well. And also so I don't lose my head. My dog there, he gets excited when he goes to work and he tear my headliner down, so we're getting some of that fixed up. So.
At American Aluminum Accessories, we strive daily to manufacture the finest products available and always welcome the input you provide so that we may continue to improve our product lines. That's largely because we're a family-owned and operated business. We take great pride in our work.
You could not get any more of a generous family. It's wonderful to see a company being passed on generation to generation in our economy. And the generosity and friendliness of this town, and especially the family I've met from American Aluminum, just makes my heart warm.
It's just a good time for a family to get together, because that's what law enforcement is, a big family.
It's almost another family within that K-9 family. I mean, everybody knows American Aluminum. They're great, they're awesome, they're awesome.
If you would like to join us for the next K-9 training and problem-solving workshop, just give us a call at our office and we'll be happy to sign you up. We at American Aluminum are proud to be part of the law enforcement family. And it's with our deepest appreciation that we thank you, the law enforcement community, for your dedication and service, keeping our communities and our families safe at home.